Now talk about a stunning upgrade. My name is Kate with WTI, and this is a 42-inch ceiling fan from DELIHUA. You'll notice right away the gorgeous wooden blades. These are solid, they're very thick and sturdy, and absolutely beautiful. They move a ton of air because there's 5 of them, so that's awesome for any size of room. It has a bunch of different settings, and it's so convenient to switch between them because it comes with both a remote and a wall-mounted keypad. As you can see, you can adjust timers, so you can have it automatically turn off. You can change the brightness, so if you want to set the mood or you want it nice and bright like daylight, you have a full range of settings. You can also switch the direction for winter or summer use. I also like how quiet it is, and it was super easy to install, very straightforward. It's best with 2 people, of course, but the instruction manual was excellent, very easy to follow. The quality of the ceiling fan exceeded our expectations. It's exactly what we were looking for. It looks very modern, very sleek and high-end. I think you're gonna love it and what it does to your space, and that's my point of view.